In this video, I'm going to walk you through sending an email notification when a lead is matched to an account. So the first thing we're going to do is set up an email template. I'm going to go to Setup. In the quick find, just search email templates. We're going to do a classic email template. I'm going to say New Template. We'll make it a text template. And down here, I'm just going to make it available for use. I'm going to give the template a name. So I'm just going to call this Notification on Lead Matching Account. Give it a unique name, put that in the description. And then for the subject, I'm just going to call this New Matched Lead. And then for merge fields, I'm going to want to select lead. And I'm just going to merge in, let's do first name. Then let's do last name. And then we can do comma, and then we can do matched account. And then I'm just going to grab this merge code, paste it down here, and I'm just going to call this matched account. And here I'm just going to call this name. And obviously you can add more merge fields if you want. For the sake of this demo, I'm just going to do these fields to demonstrate how this works and what's possible. So let's go ahead and hit save. So now that the template's set up, we need to set up the workflow rule. So let's go into workflow rules. We're going to do a new rule. It's going to be on lead. And we can just call this notification on lead matching account. So we're going to want it to be created, and anytime it's edited, subsequently meet the criteria. And we're going to trigger this off of matched account, which is a lookup field, which isn't available in standard filters here. So we need to flip this over to formula evaluates to true. And then we can go ahead and insert that field. So let's go to lead, and then let's go to matched account. And this needs to be evaluated true. So what we need to do is make this if statement. And I'm going to do exclamation mark, which means is not. And we're going to do is blank. So if matched account is not blank, I say true, otherwise we're going to say false. And we'll just check that syntax. That works. So let's do save and next. And what we're going to do here is a new email alert. And we just need to give this a description, unique name, select our email template. And the recipient here is going to be owner. We want it to be a lead owner. And that's because Align.ly is going to do the routing. So we'll have updated the proper lead owner before this rule runs and executes. And then you can add additional email addresses if you wanted to copy marketing ops, sales ops, or an admin or something. And then you can also change your from email address. I'm just going to keep it as the current user's email address. Let's hit save. Let's hit done. And then let's just go ahead and activate this. So that's it. It's now all set up. So now anytime, if I just go back to setup here, anytime a matched account is added to a lead, it'll now alert the lead owner. So if I just go to leads here, what I'm going to do is I'm the owner on this. Let's just see. This already has a matched account, but if I remove this, save it, and let's just go run Align.ly lead to account. So let's just go ahead and run the match leads again. And if I come over here to Connor, let's just refresh. And you notice match lead has been updated. And I should get an email here in a second. So this is the email I just received. You're going to see it's new match lead, Connor Dillon, Honeywell, and then you're going to see the merge fields in the actual body of the email. So that's how you can set up an email notification that goes to the lead owner when a lead is matched to the account. And because Align.ly is going to be doing the routing, the lead owner will always be right. And you'll always make sure that notification goes to the proper owner. So feel free to reach out if you have any questions setting this up, and good luck implementing it.